It's my favorite time of day. I'm still so obsessed with this quality in this wide angle lens. I sat down and I started watching YouTube videos and I never got back up. And they didn't carry this model anymore. Now I'm just kind of like, a nap sounds good. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober Day number 29. Today is October 28th. It is Thursday. It is like my Friday. James has tomorrow off, so today I'm going to be focused on getting all the other things that I would normally do throughout the week, such as cleaning. I have a couple orders to get out, and I also need to do the listings for the new releases. I didn't do that yesterday, so I need to do that. So yeah, there's a lot to do today. There's going to be a lot of just like cleaning and getting my life together sort of day, which I really like those. I feel a lot better when my space is clean, and it's not that dirty, but I think like going down and scrubbing like everything and having it like really clean is just gonna feel so good. I like to do that at least once a week. Pretty much what's going on in this video. I'm still so obsessed with this quality in this wide angle lens. I'm not gonna lie. I'm loving it. I'm loving this wide angle shot. And I don't think I really explained it well in the video clip from yesterday because I was just so excited. But basically, this camera I bought from Best Buy. It was like the show camera, like the display camera. That's what I'm trying to say. That's the word there. The display camera. And they didn't carry this model anymore, but they had this in like their like clearance, not really clearance, but like the good deal bin, you know, but there was only one of them, and I really wanted this model. I was like, I really want this specific camera. And so I got it, and the lens didn't have a lens cap. Like I had to buy a lens cap because it didn't have one. And I think that it was actually damaged when I got it, but I didn't even notice. I had nothing really to compare it to. And so I was just like, whatever, like it looks fine, blah, blah, blah. But then as time went on, I'm like, I feel like this lens is just not that great. And I had already wanted a wide angle lens. And so I just decided why not? And then once I switched, I was like, whoa, there's a huge difference. I do have another lens that's more of a like zoomed in where it blurs the background, but I haven't used it yet because it's more of like a sit down video type of lens. But James got that for me for my birthday this year. And so I do have another lens, but I really didn't compare the two because that one was so zoomed in that I really couldn't use it for vlogging. He got it mainly so I could do sit down videos, and then I was like, I don't have anything to talk about in sit down videos anymore, which I want to bring that back. But anyway, so I really didn't have anything to compare it to, and that lens, after switching and after watching footage from yesterday, I'm like, there's a huge difference. Like there's definitely something up with that lens, so I might just buy a new one. That lens is not that expensive, so I might just like get another one so that way I have that one too, because I did like the lens. Yeah, there's definitely a quality difference. Anyway, all that to say, I'm still loving this wide angle lens. It's like my favorite thing for this camera. And yeah, so we're getting stuff done today. That I don't know why I had to have that little ramble, but we are getting stuff done today. I just finished editing the vlog for today, and I'm going to upload that, and then I'm going to go get ready for the day, and I'm losing my voice apparently, and then I'm going to start cleaning everything. That's what's going on. Hope you're having a great day whenever you're watching this. Drop it in the comments when you're watching this. Right now, I'm filming this at 9:45 a.m. on Thursday, October 28th, and that is Eastern time. So let me know when you're watching this, and yeah, let's go get some stuff done. Let's be productive today. Okay guys, it is time to clean. It is almost 1 o'clock and I'm just now getting to cleaning, but I'm just gonna spend the next couple of hours just cleaning and relaxing, like doing a relaxing cleaning, like not stressing about it. I'm not feeling super motivated like I was this morning when I woke up. I was like, we're gonna get the whole house clean, and then now I'm just kind of like, a nap sounds good, you know? You know how that is, I'm sure. But anyway, I am going to set up the camera and we're just gonna clean areas of the house. So yeah, this will be a nice like montage, like sped up cleaning, all that fun stuff. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna make the bed to start.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your...
Okay guys, it is a while later and James is home and I have yet to start cooking dinner, so I should probably get on that. Yeah, I sat down and I started watching YouTube videos and I never got back up. So anyway, now I have to make dinner. Okay guys, update. I feel like I just keep updating you. Hopefully you enjoy these updates. Dishes are still in the sink because I decided our dishwasher is disgusting and we bought this thing. We bought this thing to, you like put it in the dishwasher and you run the dishwasher empty and it cleans the dishwasher for you. And I've noticed that our dishwasher is just, it's just not it. We've had really bad luck with dishwashers. But anyway, so we're cleaning the dishwasher right now. So important things. We needed to clean the dishwasher. So it's gonna do its thing, and then when it's done, then I will reload. So yeah, but I'll probably end the vlog before then because it's gonna be a long one. We did a lot of cleaning today, which feels really good, but I'm not done with, I mean, the kitchen's basically clean. I mean, I wiped this side down and It's mainly just this section right here, and then the trash that needs to be taken out, and then of course vacuuming, but that's not really that bad. So anyway, all right, I need to put dinner in the oven. I failed and forgot to turn the oven on before I started prepping everything, so waiting on the oven. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the oven in just a little bit, then we're gonna have some dinner. It's gonna be great. Watch some TV. I'm so excited, guys. It's my favorite time of day. Dinner time, dinner time. We should have like a dinner time dance. Dinner time, dinner time. Sorry if you can hear the dishwasher. It is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna go now and put this in the oven. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because I wanna start editing it because I don't wanna have to do that tomorrow because this guy's off and I wanna hang out with him. So, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. No thumbs up for me? Okay. Give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click subscribe. Leave a comment telling me what time you're watching this video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another new video. Bye guys.